Welcome to our video showing how to use the Neria Soft Infusion set. Wash your hands and choose an insertion site on your body as recommended by your healthcare professional. Clean the insertion site and leave to dry. Open the package and take out the content. Start with the cannula part and remove the front part of the adhesive paper. Remove the needle guard with a gentle twist and pull. Insert the needle at a 20 to 45 degree angle. Remove the introducer needle. Remove the remaining adhesive paper and press the adhesive onto the skin. Connect the tubing to the pump. Remove the protective cap and fill the tubing with the medication according to the instructions provided by the pump manufacturer. Be sure there is no air in the tubing. Connect the tubing to the insertion site. Here you can see how to disconnect and reconnect the tubing. Thank you for watching this film.